Hi guys, today we talk about how can you change ringtone on your MetaTrader 5 app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up, you click here in this sign here in app. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications ringtone here. So then it's going to show for your list like this. Then here can you choose ringtone you want to add on your MetaTrader 5 app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.